Most people think you need a huge capital to start a food business. But the truth, with just 10,000 pesos, you can build a side hustle strong enough to match a full-time salary. Here's how. Take something people eat every single day, like siomai, milk tea, or street snacks. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to package it better, price it smarter, and sell it where people already are. Let's break it down with siomai. 10,000 pesos can buy you ingredients for hundreds of pieces. You don't need a big stall yet. Start at home, cook clean, pack neatly, and use delivery apps or Facebook Marketplace to reach customers. Office workers, students, tricycle drivers, they all buy siomai every day. It's cheap, filling, and repeatable. Now, the numbers. Say each piece costs you 2 pesos to make. You sell 4 pieces for 35 pesos with rice. That's more than double your cost. Sell 30 plates a day, and you're already earning over 1,000 pesos. Do that for 25 days, and you've hit 25,000 pesos, from a starting capital of only 10,000 pesos. And siomai is just one example. You can do this with milk tea kits, homemade burgers, or even flavored fries. These are everyday cravings. Small treats people are willing to spend on no matter the economy. Your 10,000 pesos doesn't just buy ingredients. It buys you a chance to turn daily cravings into steady cash flow. Here's the secret. Don't try to sell to everyone. Target your barangay, your office crowd, your school block. Deliver consistently, give a little extra, and word of mouth will take care of the rest. Most people waste 10,000 pesos on gadgets, sneakers, or night outs. But if you flip that money into food, you can build something that pays you again and again. So the question isn't if 10,000 pesos is enough. The real question is, are you hungry enough to start?